Keep her fed for the kids then.
Yeah.
Look, kids are tell kids go fuck them mother. What the fuck? Like, dance all the America now, and the kids them is here. It's a nice like.
Yeah, we dance all the America and the kids them is here.
Go to the America, being
We are telling the kids.
The kids them like go on the kids them, the kids show go.
Oh.
Nice kids. Like that's a good fit.
So what the fit they keep? Our kids show where you want.
Keep in the country, that's a good fit. And all like
which country it keep?
Where keep again? Run away, baby. Where keep? Where show keep? Our country, man. You see?
They say it was our nice. Kind of show.
Dance all the south. The kids them having fun right now. It's summer. So the kids them have fun.
When I say kids, what I mean the kids them were just on summer break or what? Left left school.
The teacher gone. The principal gone.
The teacher, we all know the teachers in the teacher vice cartel.
The teacher gone to America.
Yeah.
Gone to one park and go DJ.
Yeah.
The bleeding man gone. The killer gone.
Yeah.
The Idona gone.
Yeah.
And left all the kids them to misbehave.
Misbehave? Wait.
I'm the prefect and I can't control these kids.
Yeah. Wait.
What at least what kids and the kids start to go my mother and all that stuff.
Oh wait, I fed them today.
Alright.
I'm gonna believe.
Coming. Someone gonna get expelled now.
Yeah.
All the fun on the have. Because when September come, the free paper bun.
Yeah, all I name them. So we said the whole of the
kids them having play fun.
The kids them having fun and disrespecting people.
Disrespecting people, so. And I don't
well, the principal, so the teacher have to go draft them up, you know.
Teacher. You have to go back.
Or the vice principal.
Alright, if you can't go straight to the government.
Yeah.
Because you cannot manage, you know, but we put in a formatory school.
Yeah, if we put in a law and cause.
Okay, manage, you know.
We can't let them go nowhere and don't mash up the place.
When you go out, be a fuckery.
Yeah.
I would have said, yo, here go a long time, a good fete now go on. Keep a fete for the kids then.
Yeah.
Look, kids are telling kids go fuck them mother.
Yeah.
Kids are telling kids them are the baddest thing.
Yeah.
And them, what the fuck going on, man? And look at time I got America and come back, bro.
We say be a kids that I keep fit.
Be a kids, bro.
And I show a fit.
Them are up and down, yo.
I can talk, say a fit and I show them a keep, you know.
Be a fit. School will get holiday a fit, but
yeah.
After
school jam or
everybody's gone by the tour as the kids. Nobody ever can discipline them. You see? So here go on now. When you come parents, you come for the child.
Yeah. We have to come a parents teacher meeting. This when?
And September we come.
We have to come because when the kids are misbehave and we are going to get beaten in front of this class.
Exactly.
Some people are going to get beaten in front of the school. Some people are going to get suspension.
I'm going to bag of tight pants. It's going to stop at the school kids.
Yeah. And the fat pants. It's
not going to stop. I want to put in the grade here and we're going to take it out. You see it?
Yo, the teacher.
All right.
Yo,
so that cartel now.
Teacher. Yeah, you have to come the kids them a misbehave at school me a year. Walk and talk so the kids them a misbehave for you leave. And then the principal want to kill and the vice principal them gone.
Everybody gone.
I left the kids them to mash up the place.
I left popcorn on the prefect. You can't manage them.
Yeah, him alone.
You can't manage them. You let the prefect popcorn for dealing with so much and you can't deal with them.
Yeah, they need reinforcement.
Yes, man.
They might go and bad over school.
Tell you, bro.
They might go and bad over fest.
And the return teacher them say they like it. Like the who share them vex.
Yeah, God. Yo, people walk and talk say the whole of the big artists them gone and foreign and the kids them there misbehave. They might get schooling when the teacher come back in a class.
Yo, the teacher for the 18th of this month, regular some fest.
Yeah.
Put yourself together.
Yeah.
Put yourself together.
When you stretch out the line, can rule in the hand.
Fresh
and
drop.
beat out and Nicholas.
The teacher for the sunfest about 3 days. Behave for yourself.
Yeah.
I'm the one I want to say, yo, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Come back.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, man. That's rubbish.
The sunfest time, the government officer coming here. So teacher come fix his class quick and fast.
Yeah. No, it's a... Yo, God knows, star. Why can't talk when we laugh till we hear at the star?
Yo, but can't bother with the kids then.
Yeah, the kids them not misbehave, bro.
It's a lifestyle moment.
Yeah,
because if one killer was here, this is not near.
No, okay, you can't. You have big profanity on stage, call him walk and talk name.
And
that means that the principal really not there.
Everybody disrespect them one another. Everybody go and disrespect them one another.
Yeah.
Nobody does respect in the school.
Yeah.
Nobody at all.
Teacher, Adi, vice cartel. You have some handmiggle for beat with the rule line.
You forward the 18th for some fest. Dance all
night. We're going to stand up in a long line and stretch out to the hand like when they are school.
Who that misbehave for yourself?
You know there's something there when you get, right. When teacher says stretch out your hand. And you have it. So every man I get 13 of them handmiggle.
And the security is very embarrassing. It's not about lunchtime.
Yeah, security. We say security couldn't manage them.
Security couldn't manage them. At lunchtime, the security police.
Your parents they come for the kids, then them not going to the school. Yeah, put them out, see all the security. If you overwork, and I rough them up and I drape up some of them. Two bounty killer another day and vice cartel as the teacher. Them say, they put them on this place.
And I tell me say, if end up follow the vice principal,
yeah.
Pray for God and protect him, she say, alright,
yeah.
I'm gonna call the teacher.
They have some assignment for them.
I'm gonna call the teacher.
Some seminars and
some tell me that say, yo.
Them did have some meeting and some seminars. Yeah, we got those stuff.
No, the kids is misbehaving, bro. The kids are misbehaving.
Yeah, so them have to get flagging.
Yo, September we are forward. We don't know about
the kids them, man. The kids them.
I don't know who sell the kids them liquor, you know.
Yeah. Yo, somebody have got pay. Who sell the kids them liquor?
Who sell the kids them liquor?
At the fed. At the fed. Yeah.
Who give them money? Who give them pill? And liquor? We need to come talk to us up front.
Right now.
Because in this language was used on the compound.
Yeah.
Fighting was taking place.
Exactly. Liquor use,
liquor drinking and the compound.
Smoking and all them something.
Security cannot manage. A 3 day no not eat, just buy a food.
Yeah.
That's stressing.
After
the fact, accident people crash. Who give that person license? I don't know.
Yeah.
Everything going misbehaved.
Everything going wrong.
We need you to up and come back and fix this for us. Please, cartel come in the 18, up and come fix this for us. Because the student them is not.
They're not following the rules.
We need a nice, good September, man.
We need a nice, good September.
Why can't talk? We say they're not following the rules.
They're not following the rules. Secret, what's taking place at the compound?
Yeah. Disobedient.
Yeah. Yeah. Security say, you remember, security say, them here say them have things in them bag come to school and them something there. Illegal weapon and them sitting there and so security to run up. The secretary joking.
Who searched them? The one who searched them?
Them jump fence with things, man. Yes.
So you want was on the compound at the time? No, how much?
Who are your team? How much are you?
500 could manage so much people, so it's out of hand. It's out of hand. And it's very, very unruly.
Yeah, them don't have no rules. Them don't follow rules.
When Popcorn came down to school, what him do? Nothing at all.
Popcorn
and misbehaving, so Popcorn could manage.
Beat them.
And you know, I cannot put everything on Popcorn because at the end of the day, that is the prefect.
Yeah.
You understand?
That's the prefect.
So,
yeah. You know them are gonna say, yo, you can't beat me, you're a prefect. Yeah, I'm a mother. Yeah. Yeah, just so the prefect have to just write down them name. All of who misbehave and tell the principal, the teacher and the principal when them forward.
Something alright. I tell her.
Yeah.
It's in this language they use on the compound, knife of job, driving car without license crash, losing life.
Not drinking responsibility, and them something there.
Talk to you about that.
Yeah.
But before we talk to you about it, we got to hand it down to the teacher, the vice principal.
You know, we have parents teacher meeting coming up.
Yes,
you know, so
good.
some people, some kids are get boxed down in front of the school, in front of them parents.
Some of them have a sanitary school.
Yeah. We're not misbehaving, man.
Everybody misbehaving in the Philippines. So we can't, everything was our honor.
We're not following no rules.
I thought the Earthman was saying the go to no fetch.
Yeah.
And we got artists performing, and they could perform good, and then some could reach because on the misbehaving, we couldn't send a good artist them. We couldn't afford to send our nice artists come sing for us.
Yeah,
behaving so rough down
there.
We got us leave it alone. But next year, no fit not keeping, I swear. But we will have no more for 2-3 years. Till enough contact with us.
Till next 10 years time.
10 years, get
Alright, him done report on them, so.
Yeah, we done report on them. So next year, no fit.